Hey guys, hello, I'm Rutuja and I'm here to share my experience as a student of CAT Prepzone. So let's start with a little bit about my profile. So I'm a computer engineer, 2017 graduate, and I've been working in a software industry for approximately 3 years now. I'll be leaving my job soon to join IIM Bangalore this year, and all thanks to CAT Prepzone for that. So I joined CAT Prepzone in Jan, that is right after CAT results came out, and I was little lost, didn't know where to start my interview preparation. So that's when one of my friend recommended me to join this class, and I'm really thankful that it took his suggestion because it really worked out well for me at the end. The kind of study material that this class provided me during this course was super helpful. I didn't have in-depth knowledge about a lot of stuff that had happened in previous year, so those notes really helped me there. Plus, they had this daily group discussions happening on WhatsApp, kind of like online debates. So those helped me form an opinion on a lot of stuff that was happening at that point of time, which is again super important if you think from interview perspective. Then they assign you with a mentor. These mentors are IIM graduates, and everybody in the team is assigned with a mentor based on your profile. These mentors are super helpful. Like, you text them on WhatsApp and they respond in no time. They help you review your SOPs and LORs if required. They also review your VATs. Plus, you get to schedule interviews with these mentors, not just with your mentor, but all the other mentors on the team. That helps you get a diverse feedback on your interview, and that's how you can figure out your areas of improvement and then work on those areas of improvement. So yes, I think it really worked out for me. So thank you, CAT Prep Zone, for all your help. You guys rock.